Hi, it's Judy from Greatblanks. Today I'm going to be sublimating this silver tumbler. They sublimate so well, and they look so well when they after the sublimate. So today we're going to be using my tumbler press that I sell on my website, greatblanks.com. Always, when you turn on the tumbler press, put your cup in it while it's heating up. Don't let it heat up alone. So after it's been sublimated, then turn off your machine because you will overheat the pad. The pad is not under warranty, but the machine is. So to avoid overheating, make sure something's always in that machine while you sublimating it. So after removing it, the paper, make sure you let it cool before you add the chain. The chains that we sell, it has the screws on there already, so you don't have to worry about buying it separately on Amazon, especially if you're a newbie and you don't want to make that great investment. Here, stay tuned while I tell you how to do it. Okay, so now we're ready to put the chains on. This is the tumbler, the Gucci tumbler. We're gonna put the chain on. So it already comes with screws. If you buy this off Amazon, you will have to actually pay for these separate. That way, if you've never done this before and you don't want to buy a whole lot, you can go ahead and just buy these. They already comes with everything. So in a pack, you're going to get 2 of these, or four gold, or 4 silver, or you could get the pack where it's 2 silver and 2 gold. It's up to you. So the first thing we're going to do is see where we want to put it. I think I want to put it more or less about right up in here. So it's going to look like that. Because I don't really want to cover, I don't mind covering Gucci a little bit, but I was trying to get it as close to the top as possible. So what I'm using today is UV resin. Okay, the first thing I want to do to make it easier on you, because this is kind of heavy with it, it actually do unclip. So you're going to unclip it like this. And then what I did was I'm going to put it right here so it could be close to the top and close to where I want it to be at. So put the UV resin on it. Just a dot. You don't need a whole lot. You're going to put it right here. So it do slide, so you want to be real careful. Put up your UV resin because you don't want it near the light because it will dry out. So I'm putting it over so it won't be nowhere near the light. 1 second. I just want to make sure it's where I want it to be before I resin it down. Okay. So I got everything off Amazon. So it only need a few minutes to actually set. So I'm gonna help put it down. If you have something already that you can hold it with, that's good. I just don't have nothing but me. So I gotta hold it. I just wanna move this so it won't resin down with it. So I'm gonna make sure that's straight. And it takes a few minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so I got this one on. Wanted to show you guys it's stuck. But I thought about it to avoid it from this part right here being attached with the resin. What I'm going to do is just unscrew the screw because it do come screwed. So you can literally take this little screw out. And what I'm going to do is find out exactly where it lines up at. In my estimate, I'm just going to eyeball it. But you do whatever you have to do. I'm thinking it's going to be about right here. It would be perfect. So let me get the resin. I want to put just like I said, don't take a lot, just a dot. I probably should have gloves on, I think. I don't use resin often, y'all. So excuse me if I'm doing this wrong. So don't talk about me in the comments. So in my eyeball, I'm eyeballing it. I'm thinking that it should be about right up in here. Based on my estimate, my eyeballs. So I'm gonna, and that way I don't have to worry about the flipper part coming off. Yeah, you know, like sticking. So Let me move my resin because I don't want it to get set because it will set around that light. So I want to move the resin. And again, this take about 2 to 3 minutes. This is, to me, the easiest way to do it. You could use Gorilla Glue or whatever people been using, but I'd rather use resin because I know resin is more of a sure thing than the glue. And then being on these stainless steel cups, I think is more trustworthy than the actual glue. So it'll take about a few minutes. Okay, the resin has set. Again, I let that resin, let the light stay on it for about, I would say about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so now I'm screwing it back on because remember I told you it was just a screw. I'm screwing the buckle back on the screw. So now that's tight. I am clipping it. Put our top on it. And now it is ready. Let me know what you think on the comments. If you think I could have done something different, let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Follow me for more blanks demos. Thank you.